Okay, everyone, we are in this area of Oahu called Aina Haina, and we are going to try their Crumbl store, and I bet you it's going to be delicious. So let's go. So this is Aina Haina, Hawaii Kai. This is the area. There's a lot of good shops. Uncle Clay's. Oh, Crumbl Cookies. Again. My husband and I, we got crumbles. Let's try them. The first crumble to try is lemon cheesecake blueberry. Right here. Blueberry. Let's go. This is good. Oh my god. No pun intended, but this takes a cake, really, literally.
Wait.
Chocolate cookie with cream on it.
Bite.
Yeah. What does it taste like? What does the cream taste like? Cookie is very cakey, and the cream tastes like your average buttercream. It's good. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. It doesn't taste like an Oreo cookie at all. Next we have a strawberry pretzel cookie. So it has cream, sauce, pretzel, and then the cookie has even bits of pretzels in it. So look at that. This is a bit of a salty sweet. The pretzel's salty. The strawberry gives a refreshing feel. I like this. I like the combo of different types of flavors. I give this an 8.5 out of 10.
I can see.
Peanut butter, you got some peanut, you got some almond and peanut butter flavoring and chocolate. Okay, here we go.
All right. John's favorite.
Really peanut buttery. I like the flavors, the peanut butter cookie, the nuts, the almond, and everything comes together.
My turn. Okay, this is gonna be one of my favorites. I know already. Churro. Look at that, and it even has like a swirly top on there with some cinnamon on it. And these two are cakes. Yum.
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Try it, eat it.
Wow. Nice and cakey. Creamy. Cinnamony. Like, how you like it? It has sugar. It's really sweet. All of these Crumbl cookies are very sweet. Not necessarily something that I necessarily like, but I love the flavors. It's good. I give this a 9 out of 10. Not perfect 100 because it's too sweet.
I do cookie.
Last but not least, this is a salt toffee butter brittle cookie. Let's take a bite.
I'll take a bite.
I should give this a 9 out of 10. Buttery, balanced. I'm so glad that we got to share our Crumbl experience, our first Crumbl experience. We will definitely be having more of these experiences, so stay tuned on this channel, like and subscribe if you liked this cookie crumble review. I kind of think it's not a cookie crumble review. I think it's a cake crumble review. Overall, I give it an 8 out of 10. The flavors were delicious. The options were phenomenal. But I just think it's too sweet. And if something's too sweet, it usually tastes too artificial. I don't know. What do you guys think about cookie crumble? Have you tried it? Would you ever try it? Let me know in the comments. And we'll see you later. Aloha!
Aloha.